Okay guys, old red Chevy 85 here. This is my first YouTube video. I'm just gonna kind of show you my truck and what it sounds like, because it's pretty badass. It's pretty much the loudest in town, and a lot of people like it. And well, this is my truck. It's an 85 Chevy C10 pickup, short bed. The chrome strip right here is hand airbrushed. It is a custom paint job. That's a buyer point. A lot of people have made me offers because of that. I actually just got this done a couple weeks ago. This is my custom seats right here with old, Chevy logo in the center. Good old Chevy logo. Right now I need to get a new dash. As you can see, it's kind of torn up, but other than that, it's pretty clean, and I'm pretty proud of it. It's my baby. I got an old cowboy up, on the back. Gotta represent. And this is who did the paint job. And the moment y'all have all been waiting for, this is the lope, the classic lope. This is what it sounds like. Oh, died on me right there. And here's what it sounds like revved up just a little bit. Can't do it too much or the neighbors will get mad at me. And here's a look under the hood. Nothing special. I got my chrome valve covers, chrome air filter right there, nice and clean. And that's pretty much it. Hopefully I will upload some more videos soon. Maybe a couple burnouts. Just screwing around. Please leave your comments. Tell me what you think.